Important political news breaking at this minute. We're hearing that the BJP has agreed to support the Telangana bill in Parliament. That assurance coming through at a lunch hosted by the Prime Minister for leaders of the chief opposition party. Maha Siddiqui is with us on the phone line for more on the story. Maha, this diplomacy over lunch seeming to pay off for the Congress?
Absolutely, at least on the crucial bill, that is the Telangana bill. The BJP main opposition leaders who were invited today, Mr. L.K. Advani, Rajnath Singh, Arun Jaitley, Sushma Swaraj, they have in principle agreed that they will support the government over the Telangana bill in the House. However, they have asked the government to address the issues of both the regions, that is Telangana and the rest of Andhra Pradesh, because they feel that the disappointment that is voiced by Simandra MPs in the House should also be heard. However, Pierre, let me also add that when we asked our sources about whether they have agreed to support the government on other bills and perhaps allow their passage, especially the 6 crucial anti-corruption bills, we were told that the BJP has not made up its mind on any of the other bills.
That's important to note as well, because Rahul Gandhi had been hoping that those 6 bills would pass through Parliament before the elections.
Well, absolutely. These bills were very crucial for the image of the Congress party. In fact, many believe that this extended winter session, the duration was longer than just being for 4 to 5 days just to pass the vote on account, because the government was very keen on passing the 6 anti-corruption bills, because it seriously boosts the image of Rahul Gandhi as an anti-corruption crusader. This definitely will come as a dampener, because this direct question was put to the sources and they have very categorically said that the BJP has not made up its mind, which clearly means that when they were perhaps asked about this over lunch with the Prime Minister, they have said that let the Telangana bill, which is on the agenda of the government, clearly perhaps they will support that, but they can't assure the government their support on any other bill, especially because the opposition has been saying that the government has failed in its responsibility to maintain order in any of the houses. That is, in both the houses, we've seen chaos and confusion prevailing over the last many days. And they feel that it is the government's duty to be able to maintain order before any bill is discussed.
Well, not to mention the fact that passing anti-corruption bills would also make the government look good ahead of the elections, no matter what the last 8-9 years have been like. Maha Siddiqui, many thanks for getting us those updates.